Welcome to HYCM Insight with myself, Giles Cochran. Now, copper has a very strong seasonal pattern in February. Copper also has a very strong link to Chinese growth. Now, if you just take a look here, when China's economy is growing, that can result in strong demand for copper. So that's because a key commodity for construction is, as China grows, is copper. As copper prices have been rising, if you overlay an A50 China's index onto a copper chart, and you can see the A50 index is the green chart, that's 50 A shares of the China's index, and the candlestick chart is copper prices. You can see as China grows, you can see copper prices have been moving higher, and as China's growth slowed down last year, we've seen copper prices moving sideways. But if we start to see Chinese growth again, and remember, the People's Bank of China are seeking to stimulate China's economy now by cutting interest rates. There are plans for fiscal stimulus from China's government. Yes, they are currently struggling with COVID cases, but should that all settle down, it could look like China's economy receives significant stimulus from the central bank and the government, and that could be a good potential boost higher for copper prices from this 4.140 area, particularly when you consider that 40% of all copper is processed in China, according to the EIA. And will China's economy being stimulated also stimulate copper prices around this February? Look, over the last 52 years, copper has risen 31 times with an annualized return of 44.73%. Largest gain has been over 22.25%. Don't forget, HYCM clients can access this Seasonax product in order to analyze over 25,000 different currency pairs, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. Please do contact your account manager for a free trial to get started right away, and you can search all those different instruments with just a couple of clicks. Major trade risks. The main risk for this outlook is on any negative news for global growth or China that will likely impact copper prices.